Hello everyone, my name is Kailan Mundhari, a biology teacher from Government Zimmerberg Higher Secondary School. In this brief video, I will try to explain the structure of a chromosome and the difference between a chromosome, a chromatin and chromatid using few items that I found around the house like thread, beads and children's treats like yogurt sticks and cracker. So what does a chromosome look like? The first thing that comes to mind is that it is X-shaped, but can it also look like this or this? The answer is yes to all. Chromosomes can assume different shapes depending on which stage of cell division they are in. Now we all know that chromosomes are nothing but condensed DNA. During interphase of cell cycle, DNA is loosely bound to proteins called histones. Because it is loosely bound, it appears thread-like and is called a chromatin network or chromatin material. If we zoom in on this, we'll see a structure like this. Beads on a string, and these beads represent the histones. Soon condensation of DNA occurs. It is no longer thread-like. It now looks like this. At this stage, they are bound by a structure at the center called a centromere, and we now call them a chromosome. And depending on the position of the centromere, chromosomes can further be classified into different types. See, we have the centromere at the center and both arms are equal, so this is a metacentric chromosome. If the centromere is slightly away from the center, we'll have the two arms slightly unequal. That is a submetacentric chromosome. And if this goes further up, one arm is very short and the other one is very long, we have an acrocentric chromosome. And if this one is at the extreme end, if the centromere is at the extreme end, we'll have a telecentric chromosome. Now, if we zoom in on this, we'll see a structure somewhat like this. Negatively charged DNA coiled tightly around positively charged histone molecules. As a cell is to divide into two new daughter cells, the new cells need to have the exact amount of genetic information as the parent. So DNA replication occurs. That is, they make an exact copy of themselves. These identical pieces of DNA or duplicated chromosomes are now called chromatids. And we see the characteristic X-shaped form we're more familiar with. As we can see here, I've shown the chromosomes as having two colors, white and yellow. The white ones are the chromosomes we inherited from our father and the yellow ones from our mother. We have 23 of this and 23 of this. Now these chromosomes are known as homologous chromosomes. They're not identical, but they have the same genetic information. That is, they contain the same type of information, they contain the same type of genes. And when they duplicate or when they replicate, we have the structure like this, XX, and these are called homologous chromosomes. These are the sister chromatids, and these are the other pair.